Hey guys, have you ever tried cutting your grass and it just feels like too much work? The mower is heavy, loud, and there's always that annoying wire getting in the way. Or maybe it just doesn't start when you need it. Yeah, I've been there too. So I was looking for something simple, light, and easy to use. That's when I found this cordless lawnmower from Greenworks. In this video, I'm going to test it properly. I'll show you how it works, what I like, what I don't like, and help you decide if this is the right mower for you. Let's get started. So this is the Greenworks 16-inch cordless lawnmower. The first thing I noticed when I picked it up was how light it is. I can actually carry it with one hand, which is crazy compared to big gas mowers. Setting it up was very easy. I just attached the handle, charged the battery, and it was ready to go. No tools, no stress. It comes with a battery, a charger, and a grass collection bag. Everything you need is already in the box. Now let's talk about how it works. This mower runs on a battery, so there's no gas and no wire. You just press a button and it starts. That's it. It also has different height settings, so I can choose how short I want the grass. And the grass bag collects everything, so my yard stays clean. Another thing I noticed is how quiet it is. It's not completely silent, but way quieter than gas mowers. Now let me tell you about my real experience using it. I used this mower on my lawn, and honestly, it did a really good job. The grass was cut evenly, and it was very easy to push. Because it's lightweight, I didn't feel tired at all. I could move it around corners and tight spaces very easily. But there's something important you should know. If the grass is too long or too thick, this mower struggles a bit. So it works best if you cut your grass regularly. Also, the battery doesn't last forever. For small or medium lawns, it's fine. But for big areas, you may need to recharge. Now let's quickly go over the pros. It's very light and easy to use. No gas, no smell, no mess. It starts instantly with a button. And it's quiet, perfect for beginners. And now, the cons. Battery life is limited, not great for thick or very tall grass. Charging takes time, and the build feels a bit plastic. So who is this best for? I think this is perfect for people with small or medium lawns. If you want something simple and easy, this is a great choice. But if you have a big yard or heavy grass, this might not be enough. So final thoughts. I like this mower. It's simple, light, and does the job well for everyday use. It's not the most powerful machine, but for the right person, it works great. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just comment below. I'll try to help. See you in the next video.